It's Sunday, March 1st, 2026. This is devlog number 3 for my app to help you to be on time. Now, I recently thought that I was going to be working on some side project stuff the next few weekends, which I definitely did do this weekend. Got to a point where I felt like I did enough and was ready for a mind break from that. Got to do some more coding for my app today. So I did get to go ahead and finish a feature for the quick add menu. Had most of it implemented, but I had one thing I wanted to add more, which was for a temporary task. So basic idea being like, maybe you have a standard routine you're doing every day for your routine, but today you got something special extra you got to do. Now you could make a permanent change to your routine, add the thing, and then the next day have to go in and delete it. But I thought it'd be better just to be able to add a temporary task that the next time you loaded it just wouldn't be there anymore. So that's what this feature is. I implemented that today. I'm going to be testing it out soon. Yesterday, I also got to do some testing on a newer version that I then had tested before using it on my phone. And that was with the rest of the quick add menu feature, which came in really handy for me yesterday. Usually I'm using my standard routine most mornings to try to start my workday on time. And it works good for that. The app in general works well when I have a specific end time in mind, starting a workday on time or getting somewhere at a certain time. If I'm just using it in general where there's no real goal of finishing at a certain time, it's not really meaningful or motivating. So anyway, this time I had a special event. It was a baby shower and I had to pick up some family for it, trying to get there on time. And it was Saturday morning and I kind of already done, or Saturday late afternoon, kind of early afternoon. So I kind of already done some of my morning routine, didn't need my standard routine. I had some extra things. So I thought I'm just gonna try out the quick add menu. I'll create a new routine just for this specific situation. Added a bunch of things in the quick add menu. It's got like a bunch of standard defaults like, brush your teeth, shower, get dressed. Add all those ones that are relevant. Add a couple other custom things and I was off to the races, working through my routine and was able to get there on time, got the family on time, got to the actual event on time, which was great. The whole experience also of using it reminds me of why I'm making this app and why I'm excited to share it with people. One thing is, it's not fun to be late. Running late as itself can be stressful. So avoiding that in itself is worthwhile. But in addition to that, I found that when I'm using this app, there's not just an absence of stress for not being worried about being late, but also the presence of just positive feelings of feeling on top of things, a certain peace of mind, a certain kind of joy and fulfillment almost of just feels good to be on top of things. So all that together, part of what motivates me to want to make this app and to share it with other people. With this feature done, it wraps up a couple features I had that involve new modals, new pop-up windows in the app. And now I'm going to move on to the final 2 core features that I need to add. And they're both kind of in a shared category of their own. They're both related to working with the phone iOS's reminder or alert system or notification system. So I'll probably talk more about those as I implement them. And with that, this wraps up devlog number 3. Thanks for listening.